we're dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be doing the unboxing and a quick test for the Baseus Matrix HDMI switcher. So the one that I have here, it's a 2-in-1 or 1-in-2. So what that basically means is that you can have your two laptops connected into this, and then it will output the two laptops into one monitor that you have, and then you can switch in between them. Or you can have your two monitors connected into one laptop, where you are switching your laptop between the two monitors, right? Okay, so let's go ahead and open this up. Okay, here's the box. Okay, let's open this up. Okay, so let's just put this aside. Okay, so here you have the manual. There you go. And then you have the warranty card here, and then you have the switcher here. Okay, so let's take this out. Okay, so this is how the switcher looks like. So this is the display here, and then you've got the Baseus branding at the top, and you've got the button that you click to switch between the two devices. And then at the back of the device you've got the input. So this is where the cable from the monitor, if you're using if you connected with two laptops to one monitor, the cable from the monitor will come in here, and then you'll have your HDMIs for your two laptops. Okay, so yeah, this looks sleek and very small, and it looks good when you have it set it up on your desk. Yeah, it's looking really great. You just click on the button to switch. Okay, so let's go ahead and test this up, guys. So in my case, I have two laptops which are connected into one monitor that I'm currently using. So here I have 3 HDMI cables. So this one is the HDMI cable which is connected from the monitor. So it's coming from the monitor and will be the input for the switcher. And then here I have the HDMI for the first laptop and the one for the second laptop. So how it's going to work is the one coming from the monitor will be the input, and then I'll have the other HDMI as output 1, which will output the display from the first laptop, and then the other one will output the second laptop. Okay, so let's go ahead and connect the HDMIs so that we can see how it works. So this one will go in here. Okay, and then I'll have this one on the output 2, and so the moment I input the HDMI into one of the outputs, whether it's output 1 or 2, so the device becomes switched on if the computers are on. So this is how it's also going to be when you have this connected into your device. So the moment you switch on one of the laptops which are connected to this, then it's gonna switch on. Okay, so let's finish up and connect the second one here. Okay, there you go. So here on the display you have these blue lights. So this just basically means that the device is on, so it indicates that the device is on. And then here you have this number 1, which shows the output which is currently active. So in this case we have output 1 currently active, and then here at the top we have this button. So if you click on this button here, it will switch over to output 2. so which will output the second the laptop, which is connected to the output 2 onto the monitor. So I'll be showing you guys how that works in a moment. So if you click here, it switches back to output 1, and then yeah, it becomes that easy for you. Like, you don't have to take off the cables off the back of your monitor. You know, you can just click on this and then switch between the two. So let me give you guys a quick close-up on how this is currently displaying on my monitor. So there you have it, guys. I just hope this helps. So if you enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you get notified next time I post a video.